This is the iDM02 drum module, the heart and soul of the iDM01 electronic drum kit. We are showing it here as a standalone drum machine, and we'll show you how to create presets, change the drum sounds, and even record your own beat. The iDM02 offers two main modes: perform for playback and compose for recording. You can switch between these while the iDM02 is playing, making it easy to test out different sounds without recording them, and then drop back into record mode. When recording with the drum machine, it's often easier to divide a song into shorter individual patterns and work on these rather than record an entire song. A typical pattern might be 8, 16, or 32 beats long. While recording these patterns, the iDM02 will be in pattern mode. The iDM02 holds 50 preset patterns that cannot be edited and 50 user programmable patterns, each of which can be from 1 to 128 beats long. After perfecting these, Song Mode offers two ways to create a song. You can program a list of patterns in the order in which they are to be played, or select patterns in real time, and the iDM02 will remember your performance. Let's look at the four different types of patterns. First are the preset patterns, like rock, jazz, pop, and other rhythms programmed by professional drummers. Next are user patterns. These are patterns you can program, edit, and save. The Preset User button selects between these two master banks of presets. The only way to modify a preset pattern is to copy it to a user pattern where it can be edited. We also have a pair of independent main patterns, A and B, selected by their respective buttons. Lastly is a pair of associated fill patterns, A fill and B fill, selected by pressing the fill button when either A or B is selected. The fills primarily provide transitional patterns between main patterns. Let's try some recording. The Pattern Song button chooses between pattern and song modes. For all the following pattern operations, pattern mode must be selected as confirmed in the display. The iDM02 doesn't have a record button. Instead, press play to start the pattern, then select either perform or compose mode. I've already pre-recorded a pattern and just got to add to it. To record, choose compose, and now we can add a hi-hat. If you just want to listen, go to perform mode. This also deactivates the click. You can drop in and out of these modes as you record. Remember that compose mode cannot be selected when using preset patterns, since they cannot be altered. You can change the tempo of your pattern by using the tempo page up and down buttons. Press once for 1 BPM at a time, or press and hold to scroll through the tempo values. To erase a pattern, hold the erase button and press play at the same time. To change your drum sounds is very simple. While in user mode, press the drum set button. Then press the tempo page up button till you see your drum sound. Hit or press the drum sound you would like to change. And then use the arrow buttons to scroll through the various drum sounds. Well, that's a quick look into the iDM02 drum module. For more information and videos, check out ion-audio.com.